Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to download images from Midjourney in very high resolution. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download your images in high resolution, just simply open your Discord server and then go to Midjourney bot. Now, after going into Midjourney bot, just simply select the image which you want to download into the high resolution. Then, after opening the image, tap to this three dot into the top right and from there, click to open in browser. Now, after tapping into open in browser, this image will be opened into your browser in the highest quality possible. Then, after opening this image into browser, just simply download the image from there. Then after doing this very easy step, your image will be downloaded in very high resolution from Midjourney. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.